The amendment to voting laws means Egyptians can vote at any ballot station. Analysts say it will help raise the turnout for what could be a crucial referendum. But some voters are suspicious.
If I can vote in any ballot station, I can vote twice or thrice because there are no computers to double-check the voters. Dipping your finger in ink is the only way, and there are many ways to go around it, and we vote in 2 days.
It would make it easy for me to vote. I work in Cairo, but my residence is in Upper Egypt, so this is a unique chance for me to exercise my democratic right.
The new law comes just days before voting starts on the draft constitution. It replaces the constitution pushed through by former President Mohamed Morsi in the months before his ousting. Egyptians living overseas in 161 countries will begin voting on January 8. The ballot will run for 5 days.
90% of the Egyptians abroad voters are concentrated in 20 countries. So in these countries, we have created more than one ballot station. In Saudi, we have 2. In America, we have 5. We are working to make sure we have maximum participation and decrease the waiting time in lines to vote.
Nearly 8 million Egyptians live abroad. Fewer than 700,000 are registered to vote. The number of Egyptians registered to vote is a small fraction from the entire voting population here in Egypt. But because they vote earlier, it has become a significant indicator for the referendum results. The main referendum is set to run for 2 days from January 14. More than 51 million Egyptians are eligible to vote. Adel El Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.